Good morning, everybody. We got another drive ahead of us, so I'm going to start her up and start getting going. I made a new cassette last night, Fallout 4 classical radio, ripped it right from the game, and we're going to give it a little test here, make sure it's on A side, put it into the cassette. Oh, it's cold out, yeah. It's cold. Well, there you go. It works. It's definitely a little more rattly in here than usual. It's very cold out this time. I'm gonna get over here. We're about to get on the highway. It is frigid out this morning. Finally. Yesterday it was cold and overcast, windy. Actually felt like winter, which surprisingly enough, I suppose, I didn't like very much. And I found myself wishing it was 60 degrees in summer, or sunny, as it has been.
Use the left 3 lanes to keep left. Keep left. For about 42 miles, continue straight.
So, I've had plenty of manual cars. I believe I've had 5 or 6. And this Jeep is an auto. And I'll tell you what, I really, really love this automatic transmission. It is the Ace & Warner AW4 transmission. It's a 4-speed automatic, and it is paired to the 4-liter inline-6, which makes 190 horsepower, 225 pound-feet of torque. It's a very quick vehicle, honestly. And the thing I love about this automatic transmission is how absolutely intuitive it is. I know exactly where the shift points are at all times. Even though I can't row my own gears, I do know how to shift this vehicle, how to stay in control of gears, when and how to accelerate. It's a very satisfying automatic transmission. And very, very, very reliable, extremely reliable transmission. I'm pretty sure there's a joke somewhere that the AW4 will run on barbecue sauce if you wanted to. And I honestly don't doubt that. It's a great transmission. Even though it's not a manual, the driving experience is really just very rewarding. And it's also comfortable. It doesn't leach too much power from the engine. And yeah, I don't know. It's just great. One of the other reliable things I like is my Casio F91W. I got it for Christmas, and it's been very, very enjoyable to wear. It's very comfortable, very lightweight. I hardly know it's there. It has date, time, 24-hour time, alarm, stopwatch. It's a good looking watch, and it's only like, I don't know, $25 on Amazon at most right now. I'll put a link in the description if I remember to, but yeah, just wanted to point out one of the most legendary watches, and I really love it.